So what's the most practical ways to make your first $1,000 right now in any cryptocurrency exchange? Hi, I'm Andrew Oko, and in this video, I'm going to talk about a crypto trading strategy that I believe it's the best way to grow your crypto trading account real fast and even go beyond making thousands and thousands of dollars over time. And it's do your own crypto trading research for generating consistent profits in any cryptocurrency exchange all over the world. But before we get started, let's take a quick look at the stats. Statistics shows that most cryptocurrency investors are more focused on cryptocurrency accumulation than they are on cryptocurrency trading. And this is the major reason why over 90% of cryptocurrency investors lose all the monies they invested into the various cryptocurrencies in the various cryptocurrency exchanges all over the world. And as long as you're afraid to buy and sell cryptocurrencies, win or lose, you will never be rich buying and back holding cryptocurrencies that's not ready to make you more money. Did I say that too fast? I mean, as long as you're afraid to buy and sell cryptocurrencies, win or lose, you will never be rich buying and back holding cryptocurrencies that's not ready to make you more money. So the best way to be a good cryptocurrency investor is to buy and only hold the best performing cryptocurrencies that have the potentials of making you more money going long, and short sell the worst performing cryptocurrencies that have the potentials of making you more money going short. But if you want your money to die in any cryptocurrency exchange, you can go buy a bunch of cryptocurrencies at random prices and hold them for a very long time and hope and pray to make millions of dollars even when the cryptocurrencies begin to massively dump in price action. Truth is, I would rather have a $10,000 worth of crypto trading capital for executing consistent buys and sells and no cryptocurrency accumulation than have $100,000 worth of cryptocurrency accumulated and no cryptocurrency trading. The reason is cryptocurrency trading, it's cash flowing, and cash flowing, it's cash growing. The question is, how are you gonna do your own crypto trading research so you can literally stop relying on cryptocurrency promoters all over the internet? The answer? Stay tuned, because I've squeezed every little bit of what you need to learn to get started right now into a 4-step do your own crypto trading research for generating consistent profits in any cryptocurrency exchange all over the world. Let's get started. There are 4 steps to the do your own crypto trading research. The 4th step is to identify where the price actions of most cryptocurrencies are heading to right now. The 2nd step is to identify the most current bullish or bearish trend section of the cryptocurrencies. The 3rd step is to plan your trade entry, stop loss, and take profit prices on the candlestick price chart data of the cryptocurrencies. And the 4th step is to choose the best entry and exit conditions before you click the buy or sell button. And here's why it's so important to do your own crypto trading research before you buy or sell cryptocurrencies. You absolutely have to avoid relying on crypto picks, crypto trading signals, and trade alerts from cryptocurrency promoters all over the internet. And what you're doing here is to find the best performing cryptocurrencies to trade long and the worst performing cryptocurrencies to trade short. And without further ado, let's jump right into step number 1 of the do your own crypto trading research. Keep watching. The 4th step of a consistently profitable crypto trading activity is to choose when to trade long or short based on the price condition of the Bitcoin market price. And this is a very crucial part of the trend scalpers technique, because if you want to be 70% sure of where the price actions of most cryptocurrencies are heading to right now, then you've got to choose to trade long or short using the candlestick price chart data of the BTC USDT cryptocurrency pair as a guide. For example, right now, as you can see on the candlestick price chart data, the BTC USDT cryptocurrency pair, it's currently trading from its most recent low price. And to identify the most recent low price of the BTC USDT cryptocurrency pair, you've got to zoom out on the candlestick price chart data a couple of times in order to get the exact price of the most recent low price of the BTC USDT cryptocurrency pair. And as you can see, the most recent low price of the BTC USDT cryptocurrency pair is exactly at 24,997 cents. And then use the yellow horizontal line to indicate the most recent low price of the BTC USDT cryptocurrency pair. And from the most recent low price, the price action of the BTC USDT cryptocurrency pair bounced up by 6.62% and then dipped back down to 3.35%. It bounced up again by 7.87%, and now the Bitcoin market price, it's currently trading above the 5% standard price from its most recent low price. And that means you should go hunting for long trading opportunities in any cryptocurrency exchange all over the world. So head over to any cryptocurrency exchange of your choice and start sorting the cryptocurrencies in the spot or futures market with the 24-hour change switch. For example, on the Binance desktop app, you can see the market overview, and right here you can see the top gainer coins, the top volume coin. If you scroll down the desktop app, click on the spot market and select the base cryptocurrency of your choice. For example, USDT, FUSD, TUSD, BUSD, BNB, BTC, ART, Fiat, all ETF. And once you've selected the base cryptocurrency of your choice, you can click on the 24-hour change switch to start sorting the cryptocurrency in order of the highest percent gainers to the lowest percent gainers. And as you can see on the list, the highest performing cryptocurrency on the list, it's the HIFI USDT, which is currently trading at a 64% change, and it's currently trading at $119 million on this particular hour. And the second cryptocurrency on the list, it's the OXT USDT cryptocurrency pair, currently trading at a 26% change on the list. And then third cryptocurrency on the list is the SPELL USDT cryptocurrencies. So as you can see on the list, you've been able to sort the cryptocurrencies in order of the highest performing cryptocurrencies to the lowest performing cryptocurrencies. Just like that, you've been able to sort the cryptocurrencies in order of the highest performing cryptocurrencies to the lowest performing cryptocurrencies. And right here, it's time to start analyzing the candlestick price chart data of these cryptocurrencies to identify the most current bullish and bearish trend section of the cryptocurrencies. The second step of the do your own crypto trading research is to identify the most current bullish or bearish trend section of the cryptocurrencies. So traders, I can still remember when I first started my crypto trading business back in 2015, and I can still remember how I lost over 2 Bitcoins due to lack of crypto trading knowledge. And then I decided to go learn more. But when I went to learn more, all the advice I found were vague stuffs like buy at support and sell at resistance. Support becomes resistance and resistance becomes support at some point on the candlestick price chart data. Needless to say, these generic ideas were so confusing and there was nothing practical on how to actually perform proper technical analysis of any cryptocurrency pair. So I decided to run a bunch of experiments on a candlestick price chart data of over 1,000 cryptocurrency pairs. And thanks to the data provided by the tradingview.com chart page, I discovered that the entire candlestick price chart data of any cryptocurrency pair, it's divided into sessions of bullish trend and sessions of bearish trend. and hence the name bullish trend section and bearish trend section was formed. Note, the most current bullish trend section of any cryptocurrency pair starts from the lowest price of a green candlestick bullish trend starter, and the most current bearish trend section of any cryptocurrency pair starts from the highest price of the red candlestick bearish trend starter. And that's absolutely all that you'd ever need to perform proper technical analysis of any cryptocurrency pair. For example, remember in step number 1 of the Do Your Own Crypto Trading Research, the candlestick price chart data of the BTC USDT cryptocurrency pair was telling us to go hunting for long trading opportunities in any cryptocurrency exchange all over the world. And right now, the best performing cryptocurrency pair on the Binance exchange is the HIFI USDT cryptocurrency pair. And that means the HI USDT cryptocurrency pair has left close on the candlestick price chart data. So let's jump right in to identify the most current bullish trend section of the HIFI USDT cryptocurrency pair. So as you can see on the candlestick price chart data of the HIFI USDT cryptocurrency pair, the most current bullish trend section of the HI USDT cryptocurrency pair started from the lowest price of this green candlestick bullish trend starter. And to identify the lowest price of this green candlestick bullish trend starter, you've got to zoom out on the candlestick price chart data a couple of times in order to get the exact price of the lowest price of this green candlestick bullish trend starter. So as you can see, the lowest price of this green candlestick bullish trend starter is exactly at 0.5378 cents. And then use the yellow horizontal line to indicate the lowest price of this green candlestick bullish trend starter. And from the lowest price of this green candlestick bullish trend starter, the price action of the HIFI USDT cryptocurrency pair bounced up by 63% and then dipped down to 31.90%. And it bounced up again by 118.25% and then dipped back down to 78.02%. Finally, the price action bounced up again by 167.26%. So as you can see on the candlestick price chart data, the most current bullish trend section of the HIFI USDT cryptocurrency pair bounced up by approximately 167% over the time frame of 4 days, 8 hours. Okay, the next step is to create your trading plan on the candlestick price chart data of the cryptocurrency using the third step of the Do Your Own Crypto Trading Research. The third step of the Do Your Own Crypto Trading Research is to plan your trade entry, stop loss, and take profit prices on the candlestick price chart data of the cryptocurrency pair. The price actions of most cryptocurrencies can become very volatile and highly manipulated, and that's why you should never buy cryptocurrencies at random prices without identifying the best prices to buy or sell them. So you have to outrightly plan out your trade entry, stop loss, and take profit prices on the 4-hour candlestick price chart data of the cryptocurrency pair. For example, if you were to trade the HIFI USDT cryptocurrency pair like everyone did in our crypto trading community, your stop loss price will be at the 9% of the most current bullish trend section, and then use the red horizontal line to indicate your stop loss price, which is at 0.5880 cents, and your entry price will be at the 15% of the most current bullish trend section, and then use the blue horizontal line to indicate your entry price, which is 0.6187 cents, and your safety price will be at the 25% of the most current bullish trend section, and then use the pink horizontal line to indicate your safety price, which is 0.6727 cents. So as you can see on the candlestick price chart data, your stop loss price is at 0.5880 cent, and your entry price is at 0.6187 cent, and your safety price is at 0.6727 cent. And as you can see, this bullish trend section bounced up by approximately 216.87%, which is a very massive bounce already, and you would have made over 200% profit if you would have traded this particular cryptocurrency pair. And that's why the do your own crypto trading research, it's very important, because it can literally make you a lot of profits if you can take advantage of the wonderful opportunities in the markets. The fourth step of the do your own crypto trading research is to choose the best entry and exit conditions before you click the buy or sell button. So traders, there are absolutely 5 entry conditions to be considered before executing any long or short trading activity in any cryptocurrency exchange. And they are the single green candlestick, single bounce entry conditions, the double green candlestick, single bounce entry conditions, the single green candlestick, double bounce entry conditions, the double green candlestick, double bounce entry conditions, and finally the candlesticks that's formed at the 10% of the most current bullish or bearish trend section. So traders, if you want to learn more, you can head over to trendscrapers.com. When you probably start trading the markets, you're literally gonna suck the first time you try to implement this crypto trading processes. You will definitely suck at implementing this process in your crypto trading business, but the more often you do it, the less you suck in trying to implement this process into your crypto trading process. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.